Hey guys, recently I've just found out something very interesting that you can actually use the Snake brand prickly heats to prevent the ants from going up to your cups or rubbish bins or whatever. So what you do is to find an inverted Tupperware cover and then just put some of this Snake brand prickly heat. I think any prickly heat powder should work, but I'm not quite sure. But I'm using this Snake brand prickly heat classic or any of this brand of powder, and then just put your cup over it, and whatever juice you have, even overnight there won't be any ants going up to the cup. So this idea doesn't just stop at being a coaster to prevent ants, but you can also use it for prevention of ants going up your dustbin, right? So this I've actually shown this previously. It's just that you can actually apply this idea of using the prickly heat to prevent ants up your cups. So this is a DIY anti-ant solution for your cups. Yay!